Hello! Welcome to the channel. Today we're unboxing this saw. It is on a table. It can do angles. No idea how it's called. Let's start off. I don't have a knife. We'll use this one. Okay, I got a nice knife. Small one. So, whoops. It's a little bit big for this job, but should do the trick. Oh, that's what you call a knife. Practical. Effective. My floor in this room is not very level, so, and my table is not very stable either. So let's hope we don't break anything. So we're done with the knife. Whoa! Woo! Woo! What is this? A little paint stick. Okay, we'll look at it after. Woo! What is this? A little stick. Woo! Oh! Oh! Look at this! Wait, you can't see it. It's all wrapped in plastic. Work tools don't need plastic. Oh shit, my table. Does not need plastic at all. They're gonna be worked on. Hardcore. Oh, this thing nice. Why is that phone there? This thing nice. Here you could plug in vacuum cleaner to suck it. Okay, that's the saw. Jasper, very good brand, very loyal.
Hasn't killed us yet.
Haven't killed me yet. And this is the beauty. This is the table. Okay, so the table appears to not have a top or anything. It just has a bottom. I don't know if we need to use it now, but I assume I need to set it up for the video, right? God damn it. Comes to the... Oh! Baggy! That goes on top to collect the dust! Smart! Okay. So, what do we have here? Is tons of... Wait, is there Oh, I'm warping the instructions. Like, is there instructions how to do this? So, instructions. That's the saw. That's what it does. That's what it still does. That's another thing it does. I am reading the same thing in multiple languages. But how do you build it? There's nothing to see how to build it. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Okay, lost it a little bit in the rubble. Very well. Oh yeah. Oh my god, look at Jasper using metal, not plastic. Woo! They got their budget increased. Oh, this is a lot of screws. That's a lot of work. Okay, what is in the bottom here? Jasper! Can you not buy cheaper tape? It's so strong. Oh my god! You'd use a knife for a tape. That's not Jasper quality. There's stuff in here. Ah, very cold weather, my nose is leaking. Okay, so this probably will tell us what to do. Or it's just a lot of stuff that we need to put somewhere. So these look like corners for something. I'm gonna use my secondary table. That's a lot of screws and bolts. Oh, this is gonna take all day. Can I not just use the saw as it is? Oh, where did these go? This is not like IKEA where they give you instructions. The instructions say how to use it. How to build it. When you buy Jasper, you're expected to be a professional craftsman, and you're not supposed to need instructions. So you just take whatever you have and you build whatever you want. But this is something for the yeah, I have no idea what this is. Okay, I'm just gonna try to do it and I'll show you what I have made. This picture is very useful. This is my instructions. Thank you, John. So, as you can see, it's very dark. We had to turn on the lights. It took me a while because I had to do all the lights of the house because there was no lights. Anyways, so I finished and now we can go like this and like right, look at this bag, it's so saggy. I attached this one, I made the table. Actually, very surprising quality. So we're gonna try the first thing. I have my professional table here with the plastic. Oh, it barely fits under. Actually, barely fits under. Can it go any higher? No, right? Ah, you can do high. Oh, we don't need the slide for now. So we can actually take the slide off because we're just cutting a simple cut, and it should be able to cut. Okay. So we want to get rid of this and make it nice and straight. Okay. So let's see how easy it is to use. Oh, you know what would be a good idea? To plug it in.
Where's the plug even hanging? Oh yeah. Very smart.
So the tables have turned. Specifically one table has been turned. Off my professional table. Oh, it has a laser.
Show me. Oh
It
yeah.
has a laser. Power. This is $100.
How much?
100. Has a laser.
Headphones. We need headphones.
Glasses.
Headphones.
Glasses, headphones, helmets. No, they're pretty good.
What?
They're actually really good. They're
I
comfy.
can't hear shit.
They're comfy.
They hurt.
Don't put them so high. Mine are perfect. Okay? Has a laser so I can see how straight I cut.
Okay, let's go. What? Oh, this one's
My
on
hinges. It that one.
has a laser, but it cannot go down.
Oh, that's a smart design there. That's what you call a design.
Okay?
Right? My face alright. Does not help much. Oh, my thingy fell apart. That's fine. It didn't cut fully. It's too big. Should have used the slide a bit. Should have slided it in the DMs. I have a giant nail there. That's not helpful. Oh my god. I understand why you need a
Ooh, nice boom boom.
film. Look at that cut. Can you focus on the cut? That's pretty good. I think that's a very good saw. Do you realize this saw is $100, 100 euros, whatever you want to say. Has a laser. It's fully adjustable. Okay, so we cut this one now perfectly. Okay, that's my actual job. I need to cut them correctly. But this one here we can play around with. It has a giant nail in it, but doesn't matter. So if you want it, let me show you. You can do this one. Put your leg a bit on it. Does it not move? Oh, it's very tight. So if you want a 45-degree angle, which is the highest you can do,
Don't cut your hands.
we tighten it up. Okay, I unscrewed it way too much. Okay, so tighten it up. So now we're able to. Oh, great. I think I just cut a bit of the metal off. I think you're supposed to slide this thing around to cut it 40. Yeah, you are. To cut it 45 degrees. I cut a bit of the metal off. That means this blade is very good. It can cut the. I hope I didn't break it. Again, we're straight on the nail. Directly.
Okay, let's take it out again.
Take all the nails out. I think it looks better as well without nails.
And it's safer.
Safer and looks better.
Never really know what's going on.
The woods that we just cut, just gonna put them. Did you just turn off the fire?
No, Bobby, it's wood. It's gonna burn. Put some more briquettes in there.
No, it's okay. We're not gonna stay that long here, so it's okay. Is it gonna catch fire or not? Oh.
Just leave it. It's gonna start fire on its own.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wanna bury it in the coal.
Jasper is learning how fire works.
Fireworks! Okay, I think it's gonna just catch fire after.
Okay.
So let's go cut the sink thing that we have. David has already brought it inside. I need my headphones. They're very tight headphones.
I don't know. I like them.
Okay, so ow, my ears. And bring the new one. New sink!
You're in the way.
How beautiful. Yeah, I'm in the way. So we're done finally. That was forever. Because first of all, we could not put the sink on. Do you want to show them what you did?
Yeah.
First of all, that wood was too thin. So David had to put, to put the metal ones, he had to put everywhere small pieces extra. Plus, that piping didn't work, so we took out all the old pipe and did with 1, 2, 3 different pipes, and we cut this one. So it's like all like 3 different pipes. 4 with this one.
And then there we attached something that was already there.
Not that one. That one, so we can, because it didn't reach the water.
It was barely reaching.
And Evie's drinking water from the sink already.
The tiles are super dirty.
Yeah, but I didn't have anything to clean
this
them.
is all brand new and
That's
all new.
And it costed us 30 euros, 29.99. That beautiful. I really like it. I mean, it doesn't come out, but how do you
It's
don't
pretty
need
big
it.
still.
You don't need it because it's big. Evie. And this one costed 22 euros or something like that. And this one costed 180. So roughly 52 euros we spent it for all of that. Sink, Well, it's temporary.
The
though.
legs are from the yard. We got
those
some
are not
wood.
ours. And this is not gonna stay like that, of course. It's just temporary, so we can wash dishes and stuff. Because in the van we don't have a pump because I broke it. So we have now a sink. We don't have hot water yet.
But we are
Fingers
working
crossed we'll
towards
get
it.
one. There's a boiler, but that's not really gonna work with the boiler.
We haven't done
Because
it yet.
needs something piping. I don't understand.
We don't have piping yet.
Somehow Evie likes really that water from our house. She really loves it. She just was licking the floor before. Okay, let's do the test, Evie. Test, Evie. All nice. Is it working, Evie? Is it working? She likes it.
Our pipe system doesn't work.
Oh shit. From here, this one. I told you need to go put in the cooler. Okay, pipe system is a bit broken.
Go turn off the.
What, the pump?
Yeah.
And Evie's showing us her nice boom boom.
Evie, we're trying to showcase the water.
Not you.
She just wants all the attention, doesn't she?
Evie?
It is shaking a bit, but I will.
Evie? Yes.
I will attach some extra security on the legs so
Yes.
they don't shake so much.
But it's temporary. It's not gonna stay there.
Temporary. Okay, test 2.
Test 2. Let's see. Evie, you're gonna get water shower now. You ready, Evie? Evie? Yeah, it was just a plug.
All good now?
All good.
Wow, the pressure!
Evie, we have water! We have water. We have water. We have water. We have water. Now you can shower, Evie. And wash your feet. You wanna be the first one that's gonna get baptized in that bathtub? That's okay. So, I've got wet. Evie. Go away, please. So, I think we're done for today. I think we did a lot.
Leave it running.
Why?
It needs to get all the water air up.
Okay. So, I think we're done, right? We did a lot of things. And by the way, we bought the same brand sink and the same brand cup. Just realized it. We did a lot of things that we actually were not supposed to. We actually wanted to finish the shower today.
Yeah, we didn't touch the shower again.
Yeah, we just did that one again for some reason. Again, we just started this room. Well, there's a lot of things to do still, but I think we did a lot, and we need to eat food, and we're gonna wash our hair now because I really want to wash my hands, like being able to wash your hands, you know?
Yeah.
That feeling. So, I hope you enjoyed.
And we'll see you next time.
Next time. But do you want to say bye bye, Evie? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Evie, say bye bye.